Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We're here at the Carlisle Ford Nationals, and this is my friend, and he has a Marauder that he's gonna share about.
Okay.
Please state your name
Sherman,
and what you drive.
Sherman Vining.
Okay, and what are you driving?
03 Marauder. Stock except for what's on the motor. I did the paint myself. My son and I did everything on the car,
Okay.
including what's under the hood.
Okay. Now, how long have you had this car?
Since 04.
Since
I
04.
bought it used. Yes,
You bought it used?
I had two others at the time, which I drove, and I retired this one and fixed it up.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't stand the Marauder with the stock horsepower. just didn't make it.
Hey, that's not what a Marauder is for.
That's right.
Okay, so you had it since 04, 20 years.
Yep.
Wow. This thing looks like it's brand new.
Well, the body's all done by me. We shaved the door molding.
Yeah.
We shaved the rear gas tank cover for the rear, and polished and sanded the whole car, which was as big a job as came on the car, was preparing the body.
Right. Now, how many miles on this?
66,000. Yep, 66,000.
66,000?
Yeah.
So you don't even drive it?
It's a show car.
It's a show car. Okay. Now, how many shows have you won in its lifetime?
Oh, I got 2 walls full of plaques.
Yeah.
And 2 bookcases of trophies. I'm tired of winning trophies.
Leave some trophies for the rest of us.
Yeah, come and get them.
Okay. What do you like the best about this car?
The way it drives and handles. It's fun to race.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. It's fun to go 9.9 and lift the front wheels and all that stuff. It's fun.
Yeah.
But the pleasure comes with driving the car, sitting in the car. And I can't. I'm 85 years old.
Yeah.
I can't do that anymore.
No more.
No more.
Okay. What is the fastest time on the track?
9,934.
9.9. And how many horsepower?
700.
To the wheels.
To the wheels.
Wow.
It's always a party at these checkpoints. All the locals come out and yeah, the best way to set up checkpoints is actually living in the cannabis. Ryan coming up. I also announced the Cecil Cat. We always try to get some background to the people on the live stream or in the stands. So it was Jimmy Nixon. Going down the racetrack. We get the 2014 Mustang Supercharged car. Goes 1094 Ford, 131.39. Sherman Vining goes 1021 or 1029.1 and 133 in his Marauder. So nice run there. Not the Fox body, of course, as we learned from KJ Jones. The Fox Mustang. KJ Jones.
What was done on the interior?
In fact, it was dynoed here at Richmond
Oh, really?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Okay.
And-
7 to the wheels.
And your question was what?
The interior. What was done to the interior?
Nothing.
Nothing. Stock.
Well, I take it back. It has a roll cage in it.
Okay. You need the roll cage for the track, right?
Yeah, absolutely
Yeah.
mandatory. Can't get on the track without it.
Okay. So I see you're running bigger staggered setup, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. And it lifts the front wheels?
it sure does. It goes.
Nice.
That's the difference between this car and the car next door.
Yeah.
Is the gas pedal. When you touch this gas pedal, gone. It's gone.
Yeah. Okay. What is one thing you don't like about this car?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. It's absolutely. I wish they still made it, and I'd recommend that to everyone who drives a car. You ain't never driven a car like this car.
Yeah.
It's just smooth, soft, and goes.
And it goes. Is this a track only, or is it driven on the streets as well?
On the street.
You
that's-
drive it, your
that's
son
where
drives
it's
it?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
where it's most fun, is driving it on the street. 'Cause,
Okay.
well, of course, it's like being in the car show,
Right.
your own private one, because everybody looks at cars. They come by and they slow down and they look at it.
Yeah,
Of course, it looks like a cop car, too.
it does. Yeah, I'm sure it scares a lot of people.
Yeah,
Okay, what else can you tell us about it?
that's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna get some B-roll. I'm gonna walk around and I'll ask your son some questions and he can give me the details.
okay.
Okay.
Enjoy the drink.
Thank you so much. Did you do you have any other Panther platforms?
Nope,
Just this one?
just this is enough.
Enough. Okay. Did you have any other Marauders prior to this?
Yeah, two others.
2 other ones. And they weren't blown and supercharged like this?
They were stock and they weren't any fun. Stock Marauders.
Tell me you're on Pink's All Out.
Yeah,
Okay. So this was what was the show?
Pink's All Out.
Pink's All Out. It's on
And
YouTube.
I should tell you also, see the lettering above the high on the windshield, what they call it,
What is that?
Drag Times magazine. Drag Time
Drag
magazine.
Time. Okay.
This one, 2 years ago, the winner in the class.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, I really do.
Yeah. Thank you so
One of
much
the, one of
for.
the baddest ones here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank
It is a baggage. What do you mean, one up?
Hey, I don't want starting fights with anybody.
All right, sir. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much for spending it.
Yep.
Sherman Binding goes 1021 or 1029.1 and 133 in his Marauder.